In today's video, I am going to teach you how to embed videos in Wix Pro Gallery. To begin, open the Wix editor for the site you want to work on. Once you are inside the editor, go to the page or section where your Pro Gallery is already placed. Click directly on the Pro Gallery so its editing options appear. This makes sure you are working with the correct gallery before adding any video content. Next, click Manage Media. This will open the media library connected to your Pro Gallery. This is where you can add, organize, and select the content that appears inside the gallery. If you already have images or videos there, you will see them listed in this panel. From here, click Add Media and then choose Video. Wix gives you a couple of ways to bring in your video. You can select Upload Video if the file is saved on your computer. This is useful when you have your own video ready to go. You can also choose Add Video from URL if your video is hosted on a platform like YouTube or Vimeo. In that case, simply paste the video link into the provided field and continue. After choosing your preferred option, click Add to Page. This adds the video into your Pro Gallery media collection. Once the video has been added, look for it in the Manage Media list and click on it to select it. This is important because it allows you to adjust the settings for that specific video. Now use the Settings panel to toggle the available options. These settings help control how the video behaves and appears inside your gallery. Depending on your layout and gallery design, this can affect the viewing experience for visitors. Take a moment to review the options carefully so the video displays the way you want. When everything looks right, finalize your changes. Then click Done to close the Media Manager and return to the editor. It is always a good idea to quickly review the gallery on the page to make sure the video appears correctly and fits well with the rest of your content. Finally, publish your site so the changes go live. Until you publish, visitors will not see the updated gallery. Once published, your embedded video will be part of the Wix Pro Gallery and available for your audience to view. That covers everything you need to know.